All right, this is section 2.1 video number 3. The solution to exercise 3, which was to find an instantaneous speed, was 96 feet per second, and that was at time 3. Again, hopefully you've already done that and you checked it in the back of the book, and if you had questions, you'll come to class and you'll ask me. Guys, we've already talked about definitions of limits. I'm not going to review all of that. But let's talk about another function, which is the limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x. Well, what do we know about sine of x? Well, if we look at the graph of sine of x, we know that if we look at the graph of sine of x, we know that sine of 0 is equal to 0. And if we look at the graph of x, we know that when x is 0, it's 0. So by substitution, what's going to happen is we just take that 0 and we plug it into here and we plug it into here, and we get that the limit is 0 over 0, which of course is undefined. So what we're going to do instead is I want you to go ahead and plug in the equation y equals sine of x divided by x into your calculators. So I'll pause for just a second while you do that. Go ahead and pause the video, put that into your calculator, and take a look and see what happens to this function as x gets closer and closer and closer to 0. All right, you pause the video, I pause the video, you put it into your calculator, and what you hopefully saw is that the limit as x approaches 0 of this expression, or this equation, this function, is 1. The function is undefined. The limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is 1. Okay? So I want you, not sure how much time I have left here, I want you to go to page 61 on your book, and you will see 3 graphs there. And we're going to talk in the next video. I'm going to stop this one short. We're going to talk in the next video about the limit as x goes to 1 of each of those 3 functions.